Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make 15-minute Italian garden pasta. This is one of my favorite dinners to make in the summer. It's so easy to put together and it's ready in just 15 minutes. Start by cooking 1 pound of spaghetti pasta in a pot full of boiling water. While the pasta is cooking, you'll want to dice 2 or 3 garden tomatoes, depending on their size. These are a little bit smaller, so I'm using 3 today. And then place all of that into a large bowl. You could also use cherry tomatoes. If you use those, I'd either quarter or dice them. Next, you'll want to chiffonade some basil. So to do that, I like to stack up some basil leaves and then tightly roll them up. Then take a sharp knife and slice. You'll end up with a nice little pile of basil and you'll need about ½ cup. And we'll go ahead and add that in with our tomatoes. Then we'll go ahead and add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and a ¼ cup of the good extra virgin olive oil. Now at this point your pasta should be done, so drain it well and then add it in with your tomato mixture. Then give this all a toss. And then last, I'm gonna season with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I use about a ¼ teaspoon of each, but you'll want to taste yours and add more as necessary. Give this one final toss, and then you are ready to eat. You can serve this up hot or cold, so if it's a particularly hot summer day, I like to rinse my pasta with cold water before adding it in with the tomato mixture. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.